Good morning, parents, and good morning, my dear children. Miss Riddhi is back again this Sunday morning to bring to you a DIY, a do-it-yourself puppet making workshop, and we're going to also do some fun rhymes where we can use our little puppet. So, are we ready this morning? I'm super ready, and I'm going to begin with a surprise song for you. So, let's start. I caught a little baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I caught a little baby bumblebee. Yes, this is one of the rhymes that we are going to do through this session, and I'm going to teach you how to make your very own finger puppet, and that too, a bumblebee finger puppet. Yes, so are we ready? Let's go! Right, so now we're going to make that little bumblebee puppet that I just showed you, and for that I've already given you the list of materials. We need a sturdy paper. This could be box board or paper from an invitation card or even from a paper box. We need a pair of scissors, some sellotape, and of course crayons, which are black, yellow and red because we are making a bumblebee, and a pencil to draw the puppet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sellotape to mark out a small circle for the face of the bee and a bigger one for the body. So the parents, for those parents who have children under the age of 2 or 3 who can't really draw this on their own, please help them to make these circles. And wings are something that you can just draw randomly, and an antenna. That's typical of a bumblebee. Once we made the antenna, just divide the bumblebee such that we can fill in the yellow and black colors within these lines. So now I'm going to start coloring alternately. We begin with yellow, leave a block and go for the next one again as making it yellow. The third one can be yellow again. And we'd like a yellow face for the bumblebee because that's also very, very cute, and we can have black eyes then popping out from there. So look at that. Nicely we filled up everything, and we've got some black color now, which can go onto the remaining parts of this honeybee or this bumblebee's body. For those of you that like to work with sketch pens or color pencils, feel free to do so. Mark out the antenna with this that they used to sometimes sting us, and I'm making pretty eyes, and just for the smiley, because we like our red and we want our puppet to be cute and colorful, we can add a smiley. Oops, I forgot a little area over here to color. That's a very pretty bumblebee, and what the parents can do again is give this a nice outline, because we are going to cut through this to make it a finger puppet. Right? So we're ready. Yes, so now parents and children, please allow your parents to take a lead on this step, because this is one that is dangerous and requires parental help. So all the parents of children aged under 5 years, please do this step for your children. Children who are 5 years, 6 years or older can cut on their own with parental supervision though. So please be careful, and children, allow your parents to cut through the border of the puppet that you all have just colored in. I've already done some of it. I'm just ending my puppet cutting here, and let's see what turns out as our beautiful bumblebee puppet body. So cut through nicely through the edges. And parents, if you all feel you all want to pause and do this step slowly, please feel free to pause the video. And here we go, we have a beautiful bumblebee outline of the bumblebee finger puppet ready. How does this go into our finger is the next step that I'm going to show you. Right, so children, now take your parents' help and draw a line to make a long strip of paper, which we will be using to make our finger puppet. Parents or children that can do this by themselves, cut this piece, and this is where our finger is going to go behind this puppet. All you have to do is turn this long strip of paper around such that your finger fits inside it like this. So just turn this strip of paper big enough for your finger to fit and use some sellotape which I've already cut in advance and tape this together first amongst itself, and then secondly we are going to tape this behind our bumblebee puppet, right here behind the stomach of our puppet. This hole for the finger to go in can be taped over here. Oops, I need some help. Let me get one more piece of sellotape to ensure that our finger puppet doesn't break apart. And I'm going to do it from this side now. Just ensure that this is taped on really well. Oh yes, it is. And look what I'm doing. I'm putting my finger behind it. Like that. And I have my bumblebee finger puppet. Doesn't it look super cute? Yes, it does. Right, so now that we have our bumblebee puppet ready, let's get into the rhymes and songs mode. But before we bring in our puppet into the rhymes, let's do one without our bumblebee puppet. This is the first rhyme I'm doing with you and it's called Here is the Beehive. So everyone put your fists together and show me your beehives. Ready? Okay, so Miss Riddhi is going to do this first and then you can repeat the second time around. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Inside the hive where nobody sees. Watch them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Oopsie. Now let's do this one together. Come on. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Come on. Here is the beehive, but where are the bees? Inside the hive where nobody sees. Inside the hive where nobody sees. Watch them come out of the hive. Watch them come out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Okay, so rhyme number 2 is the rhyme that I did with you first thing in the morning. It's called I Caught a Little Baby Bumblebee. And for that, all of you need to wear your bumblebee puppets on your finger and be ready for this one. So like before, Miss Riddhi will sing it once and the second time around, all you children can join me. Ready? I caught a little baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I caught a little baby bumblebee. Zoop! Oops! It bit me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew! It made my hands so dirty. Out goes the puppet and I'm washing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm washing up my baby bumblebee. And I have very, very clean hands. Come on now, let's do this one together. With your finger puppets in your fingers. And here we go. I caught a little baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I caught a little baby bumblebee. Zoop! Oops! It bit me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew! It made my hands really dirty. Out goes the puppet and I'm washing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mama be so proud of me? I'm washing up my baby bumblebee. And I have clean hands now. So we've done 2 beautiful fun songs with the bumblebee. Let's move on to another friend of the bumblebee, a bear. Let's do a bear song. And I'm sure most of you know the tune to He's a Jolly Good Fellow. So this is the same tune but different lyrics. Let's make a mountain with one of our hands and a bear that can walk up the mountain with our other hand. And here we go. The bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, to see what he could see. And what do you think he saw? And what do you think he saw? The other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that he could see, was all that he could see. And what do you think he did? And what do you think he did? He slipped down the mountain, he slipped down the mountain, he slipped down the mountain and fell into the sea, and fell into the sea, and fell into the sea. Oopsie! Alright, the fourth and the last rhyme for the day is about peanuts. I think we all love peanuts, don't we? So, there was this boy who once swallowed a peanut, and here is how his song goes. Swallowed a peanut, swallowed a peanut, swallowed a peanut just now. Swallowed a peanut, swallowed a peanut, swallowed a peanut just now. Come on everyone, sing with me. Tummy's aching, tummy's aching, tummy's aching just now. Tummy's aching, tummy's aching, tummy's aching just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Injection, injection, injection just now. Injection, injection, injection just now. Operation, operation, operation just now. Operation, operation, operation just now. Took out the peanut, took out the peanut, took out the peanut just now. Took out the peanut, took out the peanut, took out the peanut just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now. Thank you, doctor. Come on, shake hands with your papas and your mamas. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor, just now. Bye-bye, doctor. Bye-bye, doctor. Bye-bye, doctor, just now. Well, that brings us to the end of this fun Sunday morning session. I can't wait to be back, maybe even before Sunday this time. So please send me your suggestions on what I should do next. What would you like to do with Miss Riddhi in her next class? And also, why don't you share pictures of your Bumblebee puppets, videos of you singing these rhymes, and let me post them on my pages. So bye-bye children, have a super day, stay home, stay safe, stay indoors. Bye-bye.